I'm Charmaine and I'm here to talk about why businessmobiles.com has chosen the Samsung Z Flip3 as its phone of the year. So the first thing to talk about with the Z Flip3 is the size. We've always wanted to go smaller, smaller, smaller. Why? Because for us girls, we like to put phones into our handbag. This little baby fits right into the smallest handbag. However, iPhone 12 Pro Max, not so much. The second reason that we love the Samsung Z Flip3 is the sheer size of the screen. It may be a small phone to begin with, but open it up and you get a big screen phone. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is the biggest iPhone on the market currently. As you'll see, they are a little bit different in width. The iPhone 12 Pro Max is a little bit wider, but when it comes to the length, you can see that my Z Flip3 is a little bit longer than the 12 Pro Max. All in all, they're very similar. Turn them on the side, and you'll also see that the Z Flip3 is a lot thinner than the iPhone 12 Pro Max. My third favorite thing about the Z Flip3 is the flex mode. This is the only phone with the hinge technology, so you can actually hinge it exactly where you want, just like a laptop. So this is amazing if you're watching Netflix or you're taking a selfie or even doing a YouTube video. And my final favorite thing about the Z Flip3 is the split screen mode. Well, we all know that on Samsung you can have split screen, but it's just a little bit nicer on this phone. The biggest question on everybody's lips, can you see the fold? I'd say no. See for yourself. That's a wrap.